Hey everybody, welcome to another video. And today we're going to be doing a gaming video. Well, something like of a gaming video. We're going to take the first generation PlayStation VR and install it onto the PlayStation 5. First, in order for you to be able to do that, you have to get this little adapter. Alright. And the way you get this adapter, or how you used to be able to get this adapter, is a camera adapter, is you had to get in touch with PlayStation, call the 800 number, and get this. And it was a free of charge at the time, but I'm sure that you could probably find one on eBay, Amazon, or go to the GameStop or whatever and find yourself this. And this is called the camera adapter, okay? And this is needed for you to be able to connect your PlayStation VR from the first generation to the PlayStation 5, which my son right now is doing right now. He's actually just installing the basic VR system to the PlayStation 5, but he'll eventually be plugging this in. Where does this adapter go to? The box?
It goes to the camera cord right here.
The camera cord. The camera cable right there, like that. Okay.
And then this plugs into the back of the PS5.
And okay, so
the USB port.
All right. So show them the cable. So that is the camera adapter, right? Mm-hmm. And that goes to the back of the PlayStation 5, and then the rest and this is the cable from where?
The VR.
Okay, this is the cable from the VR, and that goes where?
Just plug in the back too.
Yeah, that goes into the back of the PlayStation 5 as well. All right. So everything, all the cables coming out of the PlayStation 5 is going into the VR box, right? Mm-hmm. And then the HDMI cable from the VR box is going to the back of the TV. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's how it's done.
Yeah, there's two HDMI ports. One of them goes to the PlayStation. The other one goes to the TV.
Okay. So you do have to connect the one HDMI cable to the PlayStation 5 and another HDMI cable to the back of the TV. And also the adapter is the HDMI goes into the back of the camera adapter, and the camera adapter goes into the back of the PlayStation 5. All right. So once we get it all hooked up, we'll give you a demonstration. Stand by. All right, we're back. We got the controllers charged up. We got the headset cleaned up. We'll put the headset on. We have the adapter for the PlayStation 5 hooked up. Alright, and now we're going to put the headset on, and we are going to do the alright. I guess I'll just sit on the floor. For now. So I'm here on the floor, sitting on the floor. I don't know if the video is capturing me on the floor, but I'm on the floor. And what you're seeing on the TV screen is basically what I'm seeing in the headset, except for the fact that when I'm looking around, I have full 360-degree view, uninterrupted, okay? And it's definitely in 3D, all right? So I am definitely getting a virtual reality experience here. Alright, so we're downloading the update for the game, but yeah, it's success, it's working. The first generation VR headset will in fact work with the PlayStation 5. You just need to get that camera adapter that I showed you earlier in the video. So go ahead and like and subscribe, and if you have any further questions, let me know. See ya.